Today we have this from Milenio, which is a pretty big news publication in Mexico, saying Tesla and Nuevo Leon plan to announce the arrival of a plant at the beginning of 2023 in Santa Catarina, which, yes, is in Nuevo Leon. Apparently, right now, Tesla and Elon are just finalizing the last details of this deal with Nuevo Leon for this factory that they'll announce in Q1. According to Milenio sources, they're saying that Tesla has already purchased the land for this factory, but there have been confidentiality agreements that have been signed, so we can't actually see this in the public record. To that, the source said, I don't think it's still in the name of the company, meaning Tesla could have purchased this land under a different name to keep it confidential. The governor said he can't tell us much, but he can tell us that historic investments are coming for Nuevo Leon. They will be the largest investments in the history of the country. Here is Nuevo Leon on a map. And specifically, here is Santa Catarina, which again is in Nuevo Leon, and it's about a 7-hour drive to Giga, Texas. I do have to say, I've been covering Tesla closely and long enough to know that this is not yet a done deal. There have been things like this where they're still refining the last minute details and it ends up not working out. So it's not 100% set in stone. However, at this point, looking at all of the tea leaves leading up to today, it seems pretty likely.